Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're tackling a topic that's close to every car owner's heart: how to super clean the interior of your car, specifically focusing on the carpets and headliner. We'll be sharing some tested and proven techniques that will make your car's interior look as good as new. First things first, let's talk about the tools we'll need. You'll need a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment, a microfiber cloth, an upholstery cleaner, and a soft bristled brush. These are the basic tools that will help you get the job done right. Now, let's start with the carpets. The first step is to vacuum the carpets thoroughly. Make sure to vacuum all areas, including the hard-to-reach corners. This will remove the loose dirt and debris. After vacuuming, it's time for deep cleaning. Apply the upholstery cleaner on the carpet and use the soft bristled brush to scrub the surface. This will help in removing the dirt that's stuck deep in the carpet fibers. After scrubbing, let the cleaner sit for a few minutes before wiping it off with the microfiber cloth. Moving on to the headliner. It's a delicate part of the car's interior and needs to be handled with care. Start by gently vacuuming the headliner using the brush attachment. This will help in removing the loose dust and dirt. For the stubborn stains on the headliner, use the upholstery cleaner. Spray a small amount of the cleaner on the microfiber cloth and gently wipe the stained area. Remember to not soak the headliner with the cleaner as it can damage the fabric. Lastly, after cleaning the carpets and the headliner, let your car air out for a while. This will help in getting rid of any leftover cleaner smell and will give your car a fresh feel. And there you have it, folks. That's how you super clean the interior of your car. Remember, a clean car is not just about aesthetics, it's also about maintaining the longevity of your vehicle. So, take the time to clean your car's interior regularly. Until next time, keep your car clean and shiny.